With the rapid advancement of science and technology, smart ecology has infiltrated our lives unconsciously. From smartphones, smart home ecology, smart travel, to other various electronic devices, they are efficient and convenient for our daily needs. Not to mention, in addition, let's take the smartwatch as an example. It not only includes sports monitoring and body health index monitoring, but also includes many practical functions in daily life. It cooperates with smart devices to bring us efficient and intelligent use requirements. In recent years, major mobile phone manufacturers have also launched their own wearable products and smart wearables. But there is a Dido wearable brand with a history of 10 years in the field of smart wearables. How much do you know about it? Deeply cultivating and focusing on wearable devices, Dido has its own rich technology accumulation and rich experience. In the face of more and more market diversion from competing products, Dido still maintains a stable market heat, which shows that it has a good reputation among consumers. Word of mouth and recognition. Today, I will take my latest Dido G30s smartwatch to talk to you. Dido G30s adopts a round body style, equipped with a 1.32-inch Touch HD color screen, with a resolution of 360 by 360. The mechanical scale appearance around the bezel enhances the atmosphere of the body. At the same time, two buttons are developed on the right side, knob buttons, and square function keys can provide some additional shortcut functions for the full touch dial. Dido G30s has leather straps and skin-friendly silicone straps options for straps. Considering that the body style of this watch is more business-oriented, I chose a white-gray skin-friendly silicone strap. In this way, it has a business style and sports elements, and it is more harmonious in clothing matching. In addition, the black silicone strap of the same style as an extra gift from the manufacturer is extra careful, and brings more matching methods. The various devices in the sensor area on the back of the dial are densely distributed. I believe that friends who have used smartwatches should be able to guess from the number of sensors that this Dido G30s smartwatch has many functions. Dido G30s monitors various aspects of the body health index. It is undeniable that it is very complete, including heart rate, sleep, blood pressure, heart, blood sugar, respiratory rate, exercise monitoring, etc., and even women's menstrual cycle, menstrual period record, pregnancy prediction. These special functions are available. It can be said to be super practical. Cooperating with Dido's self-developed Dido Fit Blood 4.0 algorithm and ECG millimeter wave algorithm and international PWTT algorithm, this Dido G30s supports all-weather blood pressure measurement, blood oxygen, heart rate monitoring, etc. Only need to wear a watch without any special operation to achieve fully intelligent monitoring and form data records at the same time, to facilitate the detailed understanding of various indicators of one's own body, and to prevent appropriate adjustments to various living habits. The Dido G30s smartwatch can be said to be quite comprehensive in all aspects of health monitoring and management. In addition to the above-mentioned functions, other aspects such as respiratory rate monitoring, sleep quality monitoring and management, blood sugar, lung health management, stress, as well as the monitoring and personalized management of height, fat and thin ratio, etc. It can be said that the functional aspect is very well done. These monitoring data and personality management functions, combined with Dido's client app Wear Fit Pro, can get a comprehensive data, function, and personalized management platform to view detailed data of various monitoring reports, personalized function settings, and diet suggestions, etc. for the user. Play perfect care. At the same time, most of the monitoring and detection functions and as many as a dozen sports modes, including basketball, multiple running modes, indoor sports, etc., can be directly operated on the watch, and can record sports tracks and sports in real time, with the client data, etc. If there are relatives and friends who also have wearable devices and use the same client, they can also share exercise status with each other, bringing different exercise fun. In my experience in the past few days after I bought it, some personalized functions of Dido G30s have also brought me many intimate experiences and conveniences, such as drinking water reminders, sedentary reminders, reading reminders, exercise reminders, overlooking reminders and medication reminders and walking reminders, etc. are really smart and considerate. In addition, some functions in daily life are also very practical, such as NFC unlocking, Bluetooth calling, media audio switching, remote camera, video control, offline payment receipt, weather viewing, system information, third-party information, etc. Among the other brands of watches I have bought, it is really rare to have such a complete set of functions. With so many functions, including 24-hour uninterrupted monitoring operation, this Dido G30s smartwatch still has a battery life of up to 9 days, which is really awesome. At the same time, it is equipped with a wireless magnetic charging appearance, which is also this watch has a better IPX7 waterproof performance for daily life, and it is no problem to wear it in the shower. Of course, swimming and diving are not acceptable. Friends who plan to purchase it should pay attention to it. In terms of dials, the client dial market of this Dido G30s also provides a lot of free personalized dials, and the fees can be ignored directly. Many free and exquisite dials are enough for daily collocation. The knob on the body supports rotation to quickly change the dial. It is very convenient to change the dial, just turn and switch. I have personally used a lot of smartwatches, and there are not many products with excellent quality and functions among them. However, compared with the Dido G30s in terms of personalization and richness of functions, it is slightly insufficient. Thanks for watching, have a nice day and see you soon.